Chelsea have done it officially. Xabi Alonso is the new manager of the Blues on a 4-year contract. But the surprise is not here. The real surprise is this. Why would one of the most wanted managers in Europe choose to enter the most dangerous football project right now? Are we witnessing the beginning of a new era for Chelsea? Or has Alonso made the biggest gamble of his managerial career? After another disastrous season, Chelsea's board has finally decided to completely change direction. The London club officially announced Xabi Alonso as manager and not just a head coach, a clear message that the Spaniard will have greater authority inside the club. Alonso arrives at Stamford Bridge after a coaching journey full of ups and downs. After his historic success with Bayer Leverkusen and building a terrifying tactical machine, he then had a short and difficult spell at Real Madrid, where things did not go as everyone expected. Despite the pressure and disappointing results there, many still consider him one of the most talented managers of his generation. And what happened in Madrid may simply become a harsh lesson at the beginning of a great managerial career. But the mission at Chelsea is completely different. Administrative chaos, angry fans, an unstable dressing room, and relentless media pressure. Many managers have fallen here in recent years, but Chelsea's owners believe Alonso has the personality needed to restore discipline and control. And most importantly, according to English reports, the players themselves are excited about his arrival. Xabi Alonso is known for his modern football style, high-pressing, intelligent build-up play, and strong tactical control. But the question that football fans are asking now is, can Alonso really bring Chelsea back to the Champions League? Or is the project simply bigger than any manager? One thing is certain, the Premier League has become even crazier. Guardiola, Arteta, and now Xabi Alonso. Now tell me in the comments, do you think Xabi Alonso will succeed at Chelsea? Or will the London club swallow another manager? And don't forget to subscribe to Added Time and activate the notification bell. Because what's coming next in the world of football will be absolute fire.